Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Alright, so today we will have a video test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. To begin with, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Mayan. I'm 9 years old. My favorite toy is unicorn. My favorite color is purple. My favorite animal is cat.
Cat. Okay, very good. Have fun, Mike. Next question. What do you do after school?
I play chess with friends.
Oh, really? That's great. Next, what time do you get up?
I get up at 5 o'clock.
Very early. Next, does your mom like chocolate?
She,
Yes or no?
yeah, she does.
Yes, she does. Very good. Next, what's the weather like today?
Today is raining.
It's raining. Okay. Next, please make a sentence for Wednesday and Thursday. All right, we start on Wednesday.
Well, on Wednesday, I have my mom. I don't watch TV.
Very good. How about on Thursday?
On Thursday, I go swimming. I don't visit my grandma.
Okay, you don't visit your grandma. Very good. Next, special days. Please read with the correct vocabulary. Okay, let's buy. 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's buy a present for Mr. Gus. What can we buy? He likes pastry. He likes tart. He likes nuts.
Not.
Let's buy a tire.
Okay, very good. What's this? Pastries.
It's pastry.
He likes
Nuts.
nuts. Or let's buy a
Tire.
tie.
Tire.
Tie. Right, next, special days. On picture number 3, okay. What is the girl saying and what is the boy saying?
I like braces. She likes braces.
Presents.
Presents.
Okay.
I don't like cake. She doesn't like cake.
Very good. Perfect. Next, everyday activities or your daily routine. Okay, can you tell me what are your daily routine?
I get up at 6 o'clock. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go home at 4 o'clock. I have dinner at 7 o'clock. I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Very good. Good job. 9. Next, time. Can you tell me what time is it?
It's 10 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock.
Very good.
It's 12 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock.
Perfect. Next, places. Answer the question. If your answer is no, then tell me where he or she works. All right. Does he work in an airport?
No, he doesn't. He works in a shop.
Very good. Next, does she work in a school?
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does. Next, does he work in a fire station?
Yep, he does.
Yes, he does. And number 6, does she work in a police station?
No, she doesn't. She works in a hospital.
In a hospital. Very good. Next, we have weather. All right. It's Friday. What's the weather like?
It's on Friday. It's raining.
It's raining. Okay. It's Wednesday. What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Very good. It's Saturday. What's the weather like?
It's snowing.
It's snowing. Very good. Next. What do you do when it's hot?
I go swimming.
Oh, you go swimming. Very good. Next. What do you do when it's windy?
Windy? I fly a kite with
dad.
dad.
Oh, you fly a kite with your dad. Very good. That's brilliant. Next. What do you wear when it's cold?
I wear coat.
You wear coat. Very good, Mike. Next, phonics. Complete the words. For example, cloud. Number 2.
slide,
Number 3,
stairs,
stairs. Number 4,
gloves.
gloves. And for the last part of this video test, we will have a spelling. Spell the word airport.
Airport.
Yeah.
A
A
I
I
P
no A I
A
R
R O P
P
O I
R T.
T
Okay, how about snowing?
S N
And
O W I N G.
very good. So that's answer video test. Congratulations, Mike. And goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
All right.